Man, you asked me to do this rap thing, but you already know I don't like talking about my exes, dog.
No, not those kind of X's.
Nah, what?
Man, what are you talking about then?
Like DYDX, math stuff, bro. Yeah.
So look at this ketchup.
Ketchup, man.
Gotta admit, man, I was nervous for Try One to come. And just like that, all of a sudden it had just begun.
Yeah.
That first assignment was a breeze. I got that first test and thought, hugging, this must be a tease. Pulled out an A like it was nothing.
Nothing.
This teacher has got to be up to something.
Up to something.
Next day, class, I heard a new word.
Derivative.
After that lesson, my mind was
Man, what's he
blurred.
talking about?
I asked my man's Link to further explain so I could get back on top and stay ahead of my game.
Link, where you at?
Boston, Massachusetts, I rep my city right.
Right.
Doing product rule all day and all night. I know you think it's tricky, but it ain't. It's just derivatives. The slope at any given point, there's no debate, it ain't definitive. 1D2 plus 2D1. When you get some products, that'll help you get it done.
I'm done.
You ask about quotients, I'ma show you right here. You best be listening closely, cause my words will disappear. Low D high, less high D low. Over the denominator squared we go. Ice on my wrist, and if they dripping, I turn in all my homework. My grades ain't slipping. I know at first you won't be sure about Huggins, but trust me, pretty soon I know y'all gon' wanna hug him.
When we talking about velocity, we've got some different properties, but need some certain qualities to ensure that it's done properly. First you need a function, and here's what you do next.
I'm listening.
Put a little mark over f of x. Now you've got velocity to track your little particle, but what if it slows down? Man, it ain't methodical.
That's true.
Repeat what I said before and do the same notation.
Done.
And you wonder what this for, it's called acceleration.
You thought we were done with truth, but here it's back again.
dang.
I'm gonna spit more truth, and if you listen, that's all up to you. Sine into cosine, and the opposite is true. Except you add the negative, yeah, that's all you gotta do. Tangent into secant square, but cotangent is different. Toss the negative in front, and then you write cosecant.
No way.
Secant and cosecant are the only two that's left.
Two left.
Secant goes to secant, tangent, I'm the math chef. Tangent's kinda tricky, but good thing I'm the best.
true.
Negative, cosecant, cotangent, you impressed?
Hey, so this time went down. I was like, yo, Huggins, not gonna lie, I think integrals are kind of dumb. He's like, nah, Trent, you can find the area under the curve, distance traveled. If used correctly, you can actually get a lot done. So I'm like, but what would I need that for? And he goes, just listen, I'll tell
Hey,
you.
an integral's that symbol, and it look like a S. Throw in your function, and don't forget the X. The little a to b, man, that's your boundary. Okay. Type it in your calculator, math 9's the key. Solving by hand, man, we got a different plan. Find the antiderivative, there's many ways you can. Now separate that function and write a line on the side. Subtract from a to b and get your answer first try. Speaking of tries, third try, I ain't gonna lie. Most would rather die, but I kept flying high. Questions out of 9, man, I thought he was lying. He thought my stress was high, but I pulled a 99. AP test was tough, but I knew that I'd be fine. When I got that thing back, man, I saw that circle 5. Gave it back to Huggins, he be acting surprised. I'm like, man, I just listened, cause you was right the whole time.